begins now. This is a hard drive. Sorry, it's a hard disk internal. I will operate it with this screwdriver. It has 4 bolts. I'm going to open that, and here I go. Let us enjoy something. I am operating this. It's a bit stuck here. And here we got this is the hard disk. See, it's rotating, and here you can see the movable part. This part is rotating. This is the right one that writes the hard drive. The hard drive moves, as well as it writes around all the sectors. And yes, this is the motor part. Let us see to the circuit area. I have to just cover this with open screws. Just cover. This is the circuit board, printed circuit board. And here's the okay, wait, we have to open it. It's a bit difficult to open. I believe you can see it and hear it as well. Here is the part C. Here I have to open to show it to you all. Yes. This is the motor part. I believe you can see this. This is the motor. This is the base of the hard disk. It rotates. And here these are the 4 terminals to where it is attached to the circuit board. And what I want to show you, I believe I can open this. It's a bit dusty. See, this also rotates. This is the part where we access the hard disk. See, here. This is the magnet. I believe when I bring it to near to the camera, it glows black and white. This is strong magnet, and I have to open this. This is the motor. I believe it is the brushless motor of it's of Seagate. It is written here, Seagate motor, and I have to open this. It's actually not opening. Yes. We call it brushless motor because these are the internal parts and it's very difficult to open. And always clean the dusts of the brushless motor. If you use the computer for believe 8 to 10 hours for one day, then it will emit more dusts of carbon. So it's better to attach an brushless motor. But I have to open this too also. That is not there. these screws are star screwed, which I can't open in this normal what you say screwdriver, and I need a star screwdriver which I don't have right now. Then okay, let's see. Here are the ICs. I become happy when I see this. This is the total circuit board. This is actually something that converts the digital logical binary data into magnetic form, and this you can see these wires are a bit more iron that can attract the what you say that converted magnetic signals and bring to this hard drive these magnetic signals through this here, because they're red. Remember, they're red because of the iron content, more iron content, so that they can attract more magnetic signals. And here it writes whole. This is a 40 GB hard disk. This is a hard disk, and you can see below it another hard disk. This is the first layer and this is the bottom layer. 2-layer hard disks that makes total 80 GB. 40 GB and 40 GB, 80 GB. I have operated totally, and this one is attached here. 4 terminals you can see. These are the 4 terminals. 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are here inserted like this. It is attached like this, and this is a circuit, and I can't show you by this circuit that much. And this is, I have mentioned before, this directly is connected to the RAM. This part connected to the RAM. Then all matter goes to van, because I can't open this. I have to open this. I'm trying. I don't believe I can open. Okay, thank you. Bye. Yep, I am back here by opening this that brushless motor I was speaking about. I just removed the 4 screws, but could not remove this because they were star screwed, and now I tried to open this. At last it opened, and you can see this is the base part. Just bit more. I have to remove this. This is the magnet that is strongly attached to that writing base. I'm opening. Just wait. I was able I'm afraid because it will break, and it's a working hard disk. This is, you can see the armature cover. I have to show you by placing. Yes, I have placed here, but it's just not opening. I can see. Yeah, it came now. These are the magnets, you can see. See, since these are brushless motors, so the magnet is here. This part you can see. So these are the magnet. Since it is a brushless motor, so the magnets are placed here. See, I am placing this screw here. Oh, it just missed. Wait. You can see this screwdriver. Then I saw the screwdriver. This is the magnet, but in normal magnets our magnetic field is in this body itself. but these are not magnetized, and this is in fact the magnet here. And I can show you, I believe, when I rotate this part when I rotate, this behind also gets rotated. This one where I'm showing you can see this. I'm rotating the behind, this one here I'm rotating. Wait, here look at the other hand, this one, yes. I'm going to back of the hard drive. Now see, the motor is attached. That much I have to show. Thank you.